Alright, y'all. First client of the day, man. Let's see how it go.
Yeah, I'm cutting that, huh? I'm going my way back.
She want me to leave her.
Setting a new standard in boxing shoes. Sartorial Thunder here today. Here's one was wet pair, one was wet pair. Match them up. They have this one. He was a big contingent of New Jersey fans. He lived in Lisbon. Immigrant fans from New York made the trip down to Scottsdale.
Damn girl, you been locked in. You my twin. What type of shit he got you in? Take the keys to the bin, yeah. Come on. How many times he done called and paid you on your house?
God dang. It's a slow day, man. I ain't gonna lie to y'all. I did get here late though. Got here around like Tucson. It's very slow right now. We're gonna see if we get busy. Might see if I get 1 or 2 clients. Alright, y'all. First client of the day, man. Let's see how it go. Walk in.
If anyone gives me hope for how things can turn out,
I don't know what my son doing.
it's you.
I know my son just sent me, asked me, can I cut?
You know,
Cut him, and he get cut.
Work after, shower, I'm right back outside.
Yeah, I just saw him. I just was outside, so I'm like, man, let me just get all this shit out the way real quick. I know I ain't gonna be able to come back in the crib.
Which is late. My mom in the shower, I'll be right back outside at 7 o'clock.
what is it? No concept. What did she leave? Don't know.
I wasn't going with the Friday, but I'm not
Did he say anything else? Just
That just
Huh?
I said, it's just valid. As I'm telling you, you want to cut yourself out.
Oh yeah, I'm cutting that, huh? I'm going my way back.
How long you wanna cut it to? Like, tape? Rotate it?
Yeah, I'll be getting a 1.5.
Like a 1.5.
Yeah, I'll get a 1.5 more tickets.
Oh, okay. What, C-cups?
I'll relay your message right now. Over.
Tell you that shit nappy, man. That shit patted down.
Yeah,
Shit nappy, man. That shit fake deep.
You already did what?
How long you been growing it for?
That shit, like 2.5 months, gang. I done had box braids, all type of shit in this shit.
Bro.
Yeah, I swear to God, I done had box braids, all type of shit.
That's funny.
Shit got wet one day.
Ain't look the same shit.
Shit got wet, so I'm not picking that shit out. Yeah, that shit.
And he just didn't make it. I'm sorry. I made my peace with it.
Yo, your brother still ain't pull up.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
Yeah, bro.
6 miles due north of the junkyard.
Yeah, come on, hurry up. You better hurry up.